So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about gaseous exchange in plant. As we know that gaseous exchange take place like we don't have any organ system in plant. We don't have any organ system, so gaseous exchange take place at the cellular level and it take place in every individual plant, right? At the cellular level in every plant. Now you can see gaseous exchange basically take place by three process. Like you can say gaseous exchange can be done through stomata, through lenticels, and through roots. Through roots. So now the gaseous exchange which take place through stomata, like we can say, as we have discussed that, yes, as we have discussed that through stomata the gases exchange carbon dioxide come in and out. So if I can draw here the anatomy of leaf, wait a second, I can just add the picture here. Okay, so here you can see this is basically the anatomy of leaf, and here you can see this is the guard cells which are basically responsible for opening and closing of stomata. Now remember guard cells are like the bean shape. Guard cells are basically they have the bean shape, and when they open the stomata become visible, and when they close the stomata disappear. So the we can say the opening and closing of stomata totally depend on guard cells. After that we have the xylem and phloem which are helpful in the transportation. We will discuss these later on. Now here you can see cuticle is their upper epidermis. Now upper epidermis is known as adaxial epidermis. It is known as adaxial epidermis, and these are sponges mesophyll cells, these, and this is the lower epidermis. The lower epidermis is known as abaxial epidermis. Abaxial epidermis, right? So these are the another names of lower epidermis and upper epidermis. You must have to note it down. Now we can say in the stomata with the help of cuticle there, with the help of cuticle the gases exchange can take place. And the stomata we know that we can say the carbon dioxide come in and oxygen go out. Carbon dioxide come in and oxygen, sorry, carbon dioxide go out, oxygen come in. So this is how the gases of exchange can take place through stomata. And one more thing, the gaseous exchange can take place through the lenticels. Now what are these cells? So here you can see through the lenticels what will happen. Like in the lenticel we have small holes. Holes. Holes are basically present on the hard body, like as those plants which have the hard body stem. ऐसे प्लांट जिनके पास जो बॉडी स्टेम होती है वो क्या होती है, हार्ड होती है. In that we can say the lenticels, मतलब holes are present, small small holes through which the gases exchange can take place, right? And third we have roots. Now through roots the gases exchange also take place. Now how? So in the roots we can say the gases exchange can take place by basically the diffusion. By diffusion, carbon dioxide go out and oxygen come in, right? After that here you can see here can say in the roots the gases exchange basically take place from the soil, surrounding soil. So this is basically help, and we can say diffusion between plant and soil. So this is how the gaseous take place by the roots too. After that we have basically the leaf basically have two situations, right? Two situations. One in which we have daytime and second we have nighttime. So now remember in the daytime what will happen? So in the daytime basically both in the mesophyll cells both we can say photosynthesis and respiration take place. How here you can see we can say these are the products and these are the reactant. So the product of we can say in the product for example we have oxygen. So oxygen will be the reactant of respiration, and if the product reactant is carbon dioxide, so the carbon dioxide will be the product of photosynthesis. So this is how they can be exchangeable. After that, the night time only we can say respiration take place since photosynthesis take place by the help of sunlight, and in the night we don't have sunlight, so there is only respiration and there is only the carbon dioxide coming through the stomata. So these were the some of the we can say gaseous exchange in plant. The next video will look into the book and what is written there. To the that, bye bye.